Hello everyone, I am going to start a new tutorial series that is converting an HTML template into Laravel. I will use Laravel 10 in order to complete this template, and this is just a HTML on-page landing page. If I show you the landing page, you will see that there is a logo in the left side and in the right side there is a menu. And there are some options here in the home page banner that is here. If you click on get started or if you click on the next section, it will do the same thing. It will take you to the about section. So I'm going to click here. You will see in the about section I added a what we do section, and in the what we do section you see there is a heading and there is a subheading, and there are some percentage bar here according to the skill, because a company can use this section as their skill and they can define what skill are in what percentage here. And also in the left side there is a photo and there is a video pop-up button here. If you click here, a video will be loaded here. As I do not run any local server, so it is not showing, but when I will run the server, then it will show the video in the pop-up, and that video is actually a YouTube video. And if I go to click on service, then it will take you to the services section, and here you will see a heading, service heading and subheading are there, and in the service detail there are also some other options. If I click on portfolio, it will take you to the portfolio page, portfolio section in the same page, and that is, you see there is a portfolio heading and portfolio subheading, and also some photos and description are given here for each portfolio. And after portfolio there is a team. If I go here, it will take you to the team section, but in the middle there is a statistics section here. You will see the font awesome icon here, and also the statistics, the number here, and then the text here. You can change everything from the backend. I will implement the section in such a way. And then after that there is a team section, and here you see all the team members are showing here. The members name and their designation in this company are given. There is a blog section after that. Here is a blog latest post are given here, and in the above of this section there is a testimonial that is actually not linked in the menu, but here is a testimonial section. You see there is a background image in the testimonial section, and also for each person who said about this company are given here as a testimonial with their rating. And after the blog section there is a contact in the bottom, and here is a contact form in order to contact with this company, and there is a map, that means the location map of this organization or company are given here. And in the bottom you will see there is a newsletter section. If any person want to get the newsletter about many promotions or about the new post comes, etc., if he wants to get the notification about all these information, then he will be able to put his email address and click on the subscribe button, and then he will be subscribed, and then he will get all the notifications from this website. And in the footer you will see it is very simple. There is a logo and some social icons are given here, and in the bottom there is a copyright text. Here are some more other pages. If I click on the all portfolios from this home page, that is given under the portfolio section, because all the website portfolios is not possible to give here. So here if a person click on all portfolios, it will take him to the portfolio.html page, and here is a banner background photo also in the top, and all the portfolios are listed here. There will be a pagination here, but I did not add it here. When I will implement this section, I will show you how to add that. And if a person click on any portfolio from here or from the home page, then it will take him to the portfolio detail page, and you see this is a portfolio detail.html page, and the main portfolio photo will be shown here, and all other information, for example when the project was started, when it was ended, what was the client name, client company name, website, etc., information are given here, and all the description will be shown here. Okay. Then if I go to the blog section in the home page, you will see there is a all posts button. If I click here, it will take the user to the blog.html page, and all the blog posts will be listed here. If I click on any particular blog post, then it will take to the blog detail.html page, and you see here is the main blog photo or the featured photo will be shown in this place, and after that the posted date will be shown, and then the blog description is given here. So this is in short about the landing page that I am going to implement with Laravel 10. I hope you will enjoy all the videos of this series. So thank you for watching this.